So next நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது respiration in other living organisms எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? So already we have discussed about the respiration or the gaseous exchange in plants, that is stomatal pores சொல்லும்போதே I have explained to you. ஓகேங்களா? So இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது என்னன்னா, how this exchange of gases takes place in plants is the process of diffusion. So the plants know through the process of diffusion only they will exchange the gases. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது த்ரூ த ஸ்டொமேட்டல் போர்ஸ் ஒன்லி தே வில் பி எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சிங் ஐ டோல்ட் யூ. ஓகே, இந்த ப்ராசஸ் நேம் தான் டிஃப்யூஷன் அப்படின்றது. ஸோ இது வந்து த்ரூ திஸ் டிஃப்யூஷன் வில் ஆல் த லிவிங் ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் வில் ரெஸ்பயர் is a question mark. You think and answer me. Okay, so now we will see about the aquatic living organisms like fishes. Okay, how they will breathe. Compared to the atmosphere or the air, the oxygen level in the water will be very less. So what the fishes will do, they will be keep on taking the oxygen in. Have you ever seen that fishes, they will open their mouth, open and close, open and close. Okay, they drink the water, and in the water that is oxygen is dissolved, H2O oxygen is there. So they will absorb the oxygen in the blood and the water will come out through the gills, so that the fishes will open their mouth and also the gills will also be moving. Okay, if you have not seen, please go and find out how they breathe in. Okay, if you see the fish tank or if you visit any aquarium. Okay, and what about the terrestrial organisms? They'll take the oxygen from the atmosphere. This is the as usual process. That is all the living organisms which need oxygen for their respiration, they will absorb, that is their body will take in oxygen through the respiratory tract, and the carbon dioxide which has been produced as the waste from all over the body will come through the respiratory tract. That is in and out, the air will move and air will come out. Yes, so this is about the respiratory mechanism in other living organisms. Okay, so what about the human beings? So in your class 10, how this respiratory system works, we'll see that in detail in the next video. Until then, stay with me. All the very best for your board exam. Like, share and comment. Okay children, all the very best.